Hello, hello. We are here today to celebrate a birthday. I would like y'all to join in with me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sam. Happy birthday to you. It is our Sam's birthday. Impressive nail art by Sam. It is her birthday, her birthday, her birthday. We are doing a set of nails for Sam today. I kind of already started. I'm very excited. Very, very excited. She is my friend. I know I write her butt hard sometimes, and Sam, I'm very sorry. I know you feel that. I'm truly sorry. I really am. I don't mean to. I really don't. I do apologize, honey. I do truly from my heart. Truly. I am from Michigan. Sam is also from Michigan. And the funny part is, she's from the same area I'm from. The hilarious part is Sam now lives in the UK. How hilarious is that? I just think that is so uncanny. She's from where I'm from and ends up moving to UK as an adult, which, I don't know, I just think that's so uncanny, but we never knew each other. Never knew each other. So, our polish today, our flavor of choice is this beautiful, beautiful paint shimmery sparkle. It's got such a shimmer to it. It's 2 coats on a clear nail. And it's called Rose Glitz. It is beautiful. And it's on a clear nail. Nail estate. We got some nail estate going on. And you can use my code at checkout. Just nailed it. Save yourself some coin after coin after coin. Go ahead and do it, ladies. You deserve it. I will put across the bottom of the screen there 21 free, palm oil free, HEMA free, vegan free, cruelty free. They're top of the line. Top of the line. And you should be doing this homework before you ever even think about putting gel on your nails. You should know this stuff prior. We're getting back to the matter at hand. A little teary-eyed here. Sam's birthday. We're gonna jump over to this nail. Oops. Because I want to put the heart at the bottom of the nail. I do. I do. Whoopsie daisy. Oh, please tell me I'm not breaking it. I don't remember where I got these from. Oh, sweet Jesus. I crinkled the corner. Sam, please forgive me, honey. I mashed it. And the other one, I sure did this one. Shoot. Trying to fix it. I didn't do the other one that way. This is crooked. Okay, we have our heart, and we have these beautiful, beautiful blue, purplish blue flowers. Sam's favorite color is pink and purple. I had glasses, I wasn't certain. I knew it was purple, but I wasn't certain, so I went and asked. So she says pink purple, so we have these beautiful pink nails, and these beautiful pink purple, bluish purplish flowers. So I'm going to incorporate all this together, hopefully, and it's going to look nice, right? 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 I'm hoping. Let me look at these over here in some white. Sam, I hope you have a great birthday, honey. I hope you and your husband, Mark, do something really great for your birthday. God, I think his name is Mark. Oh, holy cow, Batman. She doesn't talk about him often, and I've got television when it comes to nails when he talks. I hate to say that I don't pay that much attention. She don't talk about her husband that often, and I think his name is Mark. I think I hope you have a very blessed, happy birthday. And you celebrate it in the very best possible way. Well, the biggest flare possible here. These are making this one. I hope she has a great day. Hope everybody stops in on her channel, Impressive Nail Art by Sam. If you haven't already subscribed to her channel, please go and do so. She's like 93. Well, by the time this goes up, it's going up on July 31st. I'm filming this on July 20th. As of July 19th, she's 93 away from being at 1,000 subscribers. So, I don't know how many she's going to need by now, but let's pour in there. Let's give her some watch time because she does desperately need that to get monetized. So listen, if you got an extra device that you can put her on overnight, that would be beautiful. She needs watch time, big time, so let's put her on an extra device while you sleep, while you're at work. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. You know you can do it. You can put her on for a couple hours. That would be beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, goodness. Where's my other one? I want... Put this sheet back. I want to put the floating rose. And pinky, I think. I don't know if it's gonna look right, but I hope it does. So go visit Sam's YouTube channel. She is same name, underscores in between, I believe, on IG. But visit her here on YouTube. Impressive Nail Art by Sam. Make her reach, help her reach monetization. Reach her goal of 1K. Impressive Nail Art by Sam. If I remember, I will put her channel link in the description box. Here's the first flower. And, help her reach her goal. Maybe fitting for her birthday. It'll be superb. She gets it before her birthday. Shoot. Does this look right? I hope everyone heads over. I'll be seeing it before this. This will be the last. Hopefully she's reached it. Hopefully she's reached it by now. Reached it by now. Hope this looks okay, Sam. I mean it to. We're gonna top coat with Madam Glam. Soak off, no white top coat. Remember, this was Rose Glitz by Madam Glam. It is this beautiful, beautiful pink shimmery polish. Look at that. I'm loving the brush. I love the brush. So go head over to MadamGlam.com. Use my code Justnailedit at checkout. I have an affiliate link in the description box that takes you right there. Does everything you need to do. Remember, ladies, they're cruelty, vegan, palm oil, they're all free. It's information you should know before you ever go to put them on your nails. You should know this. Information you should already know. Oops. Oh, buddy. What down here? Forgot about that. I forgot about that. I totally forgot about that. Don't forget, you gotta wish Sam a happy birthday. I'll sing to her too. Women love that. I do. I like to sing to people. Can't sing worth the snap, but I like to do it. Happy birthday to you. I mean, well, I really mean well. I really mean well. I mean for it to be entertaining is what I mean. For it to be entertaining. Okay, we are done. We're done top coating. These nails are going, whoops, shoot. They're going in for 60. Look how pretty these are. I'm loving the pink and the flowers with them. What do you think, ladies? What do you think for Sam's birthday? Happy birthday, Sam. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, here we are. We are finished with Sam's birthday nails. Happy birthday to you. I hope you have a great, blessed birthday, Sam. I really, truly do. Hopefully tomorrow you can come and tell us all about what you did and what you didn't do. I'm only kidding. Well, ladies, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of Sam's birthday nails. I think they turned out really cute. Hopefully she likes them. I hope she does. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. You know the routine. I'm not gonna, excuse me, Piggy. I'm not gonna get into it too much. Just for Sam. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, baby. No, happy birthday, Sam, truly. Have a blessed day, everyone. You too, Sam. Be blessed.